Told you last week, Richmond's Commonwealth's attorney says no police officer will be charged in connection with a 2020 incident in which peaceful protesters were tear gassed. After an investigation, Colette McEachin determined that confusion and a lack of clear communication led to the incident. CBS's Tyler Lane goes in depth. He spoke with a protester and a law enforcement expert about the decision.
I think it's pleasant coming back to this space in a calm time.
Jared Blackwell feels at ease next to the fenced-off Lee Circle on Monument Avenue. A drastic difference from how he felt here on June 1st, 2020.
What I saw happen that day was just so egregious.
Back up!
That's the day Richmond police officers deployed tear gas into a crowd of peaceful protesters at the Robert E. Lee statue. More than 2 years later, we have a fuller picture of what happened then. Stemming from a lawsuit against the city, RPD retracts false statements that allege the demonstrators were violent. Body camera footage is released under court order. And now, Richmond's top prosecutor, Colette McEachin, says the officers involved will not face any charges.
It saddens me, but it's not surprising. It's what we have come to expect from I'm just going to call it the criminal justice system protecting itself.
While calling it an error, McEachin says police did not break the law by using chemicals because there was no criminal intent. At the time of the incident, a separate violent and destructive protest was taking place at the Jeb Stuart statue. But when police leaders signaled the green light to use gas, they gave unclear commands about which location to target. Additionally, McEachin says when officers arrived at Lee, they didn't have a 360 view of the area because protesters formed a line.
They were in no danger. They could have walked around the monument, seen that no one was doing anything, and literally just held their positions.
Blackwell also takes issue with the fact that officers did not engage with demonstrators to try and rectify the perceived problem before spraying chemicals at them.
I don't think they ever gave any warnings or anything either.
Meanwhile, law enforcement expert Dr. William Pelfrey agrees with McEachin's findings.
I think that the determination was the right one. It's very difficult to prove intent, and that's the burden.
Pelfrey says officers are expected to follow orders from supervisors, but not ones that they know are wrong. However, in this case,
firing tear gas at a group of protesters during a time when other protesters had been dangerous, people had been hurt, property had been destroyed. That was not an unreasonable thing for supervisors to tell police to do. Police have to act with the information that's available, sometimes in exigent circumstances, with time pressures and safety pressures.
While he says it's unfortunate, Pelfrey doesn't blame police for not negotiating before releasing the gas.
Ideally, police can work with protesters to come to a peaceful resolution. Police had tried that in Richmond and met with little success.
I don't believe the RPD has been held accountable.
And Pelfrey says the outcome here will not have any impact on civil lawsuits that could come forward. Now, Richmond Police tells me tonight they can now begin their administrative investigation now that this criminal investigation is complete. Working for you at the Lee Circle, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.